welcome back to another episode of Ignited Garage. Now, this episode we've got Dan went and welded the motor mounts. They're not cleaned up yet, but damn, they're good. Now, what we're gonna do is dry fit the LS. Dan's right there.
What's up?
We're gonna dry fit the LS into the S13 and then figure out the mounts for right there. So I'll probably set this up somehow. Maybe. I didn't bring my tripod in, so I'll figure out what I can do. Alright guys, there you go. It's sitting there, but yeah, it's still attached to the freaking hoist. But
gotta finish building up the mounts.
yeah.
So
That is freaking awesome. Oh, I'm like a kid in a candy store right now.
you got a freaking LS sitting in a Nissan, man. Oh yeah, you got lots of clearance.
I'm just looking.
There's lots of clearance.
Oh, that's low. That's low. We might have to go up higher. Okay. Anyways, I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, well, we bolted the transmission up. Now, the crappy thing, I don't know if there's supposed to be a shim right here, but Dan over here is saying that it could be the dowels pushing it at the top, being a dirty motor or transmission. So we're gonna put, Dan's gonna put this in, and then we're gonna try and fab up the trans mount. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Some new stuff to come, guys.
Whatever.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna mock up the transmission or the motor, bolt up the hockey pucks. Yes, I'm using hockey pucks because Dan's got them over there. He's playing with the pucks.
I'm playing with my pucks. Like my pucks.
Oh my god, I'm gonna freaking. I'm gonna get in trouble for that.
What?
Anyways,
Man,
I'm gonna set this. I didn't bring my tripod out, so we're gonna bolt this up and then see where the engine sits. Alright guys, it's mounted in there by itself. Now, what we gotta do is we gotta do the cross member for the transmission, and all we're gonna do is some angle iron and then put the hockey pucks up through, or bolts through the hockey puck. So Dan is gonna grind the other mounts.